Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply update your Instagram two-factor authentication. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram account. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Instagram account. Having opened up your Instagram account, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. And the next thing you need to do is to click on your Instagram handle. Then click on go to account center. Then you have to go to password and security. Then you need to go to security checkup. Then select your Instagram handle. Then go to two-factor authentication. Then click on text message. Then click on change phone number. Then enter your new number right here. Once you enter your new number, click on next and enter the verification code. You are done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply update your two-factor authentication number on your Instagram account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.